Dear friends, cooperatives like the ones you represent demonstrate the importance of standing together to forge solutions to global challenges. Hailing from more than 100 countries, you are driving development across communities large and small, fighting poverty and social exclusion, strengthening food security, helping local entrepreneurs access national and international markets, and so much more. Your united efforts are essential as our world confronts complex challenges and strives to advance the Sustainable Development Goals. You can be sure that we will continue to call on governments to recognize your critical work through national budgets and development plans, and to arrive at next year's World Summit for Social Development with solutions that can spur progress for all people. As your team reminds us, cooperatives build a better world. The United Nations is proud to stand with you in this essential work.